You cannot eat this seafood fried rice and not get your tongue beaten. I can tell you that. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm making something really delicious. Seafood fried rice. Now you know. And here is a quick look at the final result. Just take a look at how rich and colorful it is looking. The aroma, the flavor. Trust me, you are going to love this. So just before we jump right into the video, let me show you all the things we are going to be using to make our delicious seafood fried rice. We are going to be using sweet corn, chopped onions, crabs, red, yellow, and green bell pepper. We are going to be using carrots, some prawns, some calamari, egg fish, then some green peas. So now that you know the things we are going to be using to make our fried rice, so let the process begin. So now I'm going to be boiling my crab. So I added a little salt and some water, then I let that cook while I go ahead to marinate my fish. You can marinate your fish with any spice of your choice, but here I used black pepper, salt, and some seasoning cube. Set that aside to rest for a few minutes while I go ahead and do the next process, which is the prawns. I added some salt, seasoning cube, and some garlic powder. Leave that to rest for a few minutes while I go ahead to start frying all the seafood. I started with the prawns. I allowed that to fry on both sides for like 2 to 3 minutes before taking it out of the stove. Then I moved on to the calamari. Gave them a quick fry as well, just enough to get the nice texture. After that, I fried the fishes too, making sure everything was properly cooked and just right. While all that was going on, I began to fry my vegetables, such as the red bell pepper, green, and the yellow bell pepper. I didn't let that to stay long on the stove because I wanted them to remain crunchy, not soft, and not soggy. Added some salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, seasoning cube, just enough to make the vegetable have some taste. Stir everything together before finally taking it out of the stove. At those points, we can then proceed to prepare our fried rice base. So I put in some oil into my pan, then added some chopped onions. Stir everything together until the onion has infused some flavor into the oil. Before going ahead to add my green chili pepper. So I added some green chili pepper. Stir and combine all this together too. I began to add in all my spices. I started by adding the curry powder, ginger, garlic, some thyme, some salt, seasoning cube, and the likes. Feel free to use anything that you have available to you, so long the food tastes delicious. So this is just what I'm adding to mine. Okay, I stirred everything together before going into adding my washed rice. Once you are done adding your rice, ensure to stir very well because the goal is to make it fried, okay? So stir it very well before adding anything to it, just as if you are frying something. But here I'm not adding too much oil because I'm still going to fry it later on. So after I was done doing this, because I don't want everything to stick together, I went in with my stock water, then stirred together, then I added little water, just enough to cook the rice, then add some salt, then taste for adjustments if there is need for me to add anything. I went in with some seasoning cube too, then I covered up with a foil paper so that it will lock in the heat inside and make everything cook just right. Now it is time to check on our rice. Here the water in the rice is dried up and the rice is ready. So now it is time to start combining everything together. So I went in to add some butter into my pan. Then I began to scoop the rice into the pan. I stirred that together, allowed it to fry for like 2 minutes before combining all my vegetables and my seafood into it. Just take a look at the outcome of our seafood fried rice. Just see how colorful and beautiful it's looking. And it tastes so delicious. Would you be trying this out? Let me know if you did. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do by hitting the subscribe button on the top right corner of your screen. Give this video a thumbs up and ensure to share with your loved ones. I can't wait to see you in my next one. See you and bye for now.